Hi everyone, I'm back. Okay, so this video is basically me giving tips on how to use apple cider vinegar. Let's see if you can see. Apple cider vinegar with the mother. Okay, you can use any brand. You can actually get this brand from Walmart. This is basically it. But you know, there's the other brand, the Bragg's apple cider vinegar. You can get that too. But this does the same thing. And the mother is basically what you need to help with the weight loss. So a little bit about my journey on weight loss is I'm still on that journey. Okay, obviously that's what I am, and this stuff really helps with several issues: diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity, infertility, you name it, this thing helps. Okay, so we're gonna take our glass cup. We're gonna do, and you always want to get this in if it's in plastic, do not get it. I'm gonna tell you why. This is so highly acidic. You do not want to take this if it's in plastic, because the acidity of this will actually eat away with the plastic, and then it'll be all through your apple cider vinegar. So you actually will be, you know, taking 10 steps back instead of 10 steps forward. Okay, so what I do is I take my filtered water. Don't do tap water, try to do filtered water. Okay, and we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna about pour that much in.
That was easy.
Now, just because this is a you know, a remedy, because that's basically what this is. This is a remedy. Does not mean that this is not serious. It took me a long time to realize that all the natural things that I do has its rewards, and if it's used incorrectly, has its bad things that happen to you too. Like, do not just take this and drink it like this. Okay, I used to do that, and I got in trouble for it. Okay, it basically took away everything I was doing. It actually helped me have a thing called tachycardia, which is high heart rate, because I was like, I'm just going to take this to the head, forget the water. I'm in a hurry. I don't feel like doing the whole water thing, so let me just go ahead and chuck it back. Don't do that. Also, make sure that you measure it out. So you're supposed to do a tablespoon. Let me make sure. Let's see a serving size. Yes, a serving size is a tablespoon. So you want to do no more than a tablespoon at a time. And you want to do this in the morning and at night. So you want to do it before your meals in the morning, and maybe after your meal at night, or before your last meal. It's up to you. It's up to you. If you want a stronger reaction, I would do it on an empty stomach. If you want it to be more of a tapered off reaction, you want to do it after a meal. Now, these are tips that I'm giving you because I've been doing this for years. No, it's not something that necessarily is written down, but you can check the blog that's attached to this video, and it has a lovely blog on how to use this. Okay, but I'm just letting you know what I do and how it works for me. So I don't have, okay, and make sure it's unpasteurized. Okay, I don't have a, what is it called, a measuring spoons. I don't have that. So basically what I do is use the cap full. You can do that. Use the cap. Pour, I'm sorry y'all, I'm sorry, I can't do this while y'all can see it, but please believe me, I'm doing it. Alright, so I just poured a little bit in the cap, and I'm going to do this 4 times. 1, actually 2 of these should be about a tablespoon. For the sake of this video, I'm going to say do 2, because you don't want to OD. Alright, So your water should look like this. See how before it was clear and now it's a little cloudy. Some people may want to put some honey in this or sugar. Don't do that. Why? Because this stuff is helping you, and then when you put sugar, it's just going to basically make the honey and sugar go in your system quicker and send your sugar up. You don't want that. You know, if you're going to do this type of life, you have to be a soldier. Sugar is not your friend, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this straight to the head. Another thing that you can do, I will not be doing this while I'm on camera, but you can also put a little bit of turmeric in here too. Turmeric is bomb with this. If you have anything called inflammation, which 9 times out of 10, if you're watching this video, you do. If you have anything like called inflammation or anything like that, go ahead and put a little turmeric in this concoction called apple cider vinegar. Okay? So let me go ahead. You know, you can also use this as a tutorial, and I hope you made it with me. Go ahead, bottoms up. Let me let you know how this tastes. It's a good thing. It tastes good. I've been doing this for a long time, y'all. 10 years. Make sure when you first buy the bottle to shake it up really good, because you want to make sure that that sediment, that mother, is getting all up and through this concoction. You want that, okay? So let's go ahead and shake that up. Shake it up. Do not warm this up. You will kill the live enzymes in it. So no, do not make a tea out of this. If you have anything where it says apple cider vinegar tea or apple cider vinegar pills, in my opinion, it will do absolutely nothing, because you want it to be unpasteurized, which is unprocessed, which is you're going to benefit from the live enzymes that this concoction has. So don't warm it up, okay? And this is pretty good. So you get you a nice little, I don't know how many ounces this is. I think this is about maybe 6 ounces. You want to do that at a time. Do not, I mean, I used to take my big jug and put apple cider vinegar in it and just drink it throughout the day. That's cool if you just want to have some maintenance. But if you want to get the job done very, very quickly, go ahead, take the time, get your glass cup, make the concoction, and drink it all at one time. It's going to taste a little funny to anybody who is the first time using this. It's going to taste funny to you. It might taste a little off, okay? But just know that it's helping you lose weight. And you might have a little bit of something in there. We're going to go ahead and we're going to drink all that up. If it's burning the back of your throat, that means you did not dilute it enough. Okay, so it's something that you should taste, but it shouldn't be unbearable to drinking. Okay, so basically what I said, I'm going to recap. You're going to make sure that you get your apple cider vinegar in glass. No, you do not want to get just regular vinegar. No, you do not want it to get it in plastic. It must have apple cider vinegar with the mother. It must have that, guys. The mother is what it basically is the secret to this whole situation. So if you're getting apple cider vinegar without the mother, you're wasting your time. You want to make sure that you get you a glass. You want to make sure you have filtered water, no tap water. Okay, because I'm going to tell you, anything that you do with this is going to help it circulate through your system very quickly. You do not want to use sugar to sweeten it, because I think that's going to have adverse situations happening, so you don't want that. And that's it. I hope I helped you guys out with this video. Make sure you tap the screen and visit the prettygirleats.com. That's pretty, G-U-R-L, eats.com. There's a lovely blog that tells you more in depth on how to do that. But I hope you enjoyed what I've showed you, and I hope it helps you out. Let me let you know this a little bit. I've been doing this for a while, and I see that it does help you lose weight. It is not a quick fix. I have to say that. That is my disclaimer. It is not a quick fix. It is not a cure. So if the day that you stop doing this is the day when your problems will come back. So with this, you must eat healthy. You must exercise, and you must do this on a daily basis, twice a day. That's my diagnosis. That's my little prescription. You must do this twice a day for this to work, and you will lose about 5 pounds in a short amount of time. You'll see that, but don't get happy. Keep it up. Keep doing it, and you'll see a huge result about that. But once you stop, which you should never stop, this should be something you should do every day. It should something you should do all the time. Until you feel like you don't need it, which should be never, okay? Because everybody needs to what? You need a detox. That's one thing. You thought I was done, didn't you? Nope. You need a detox, okay? And that's what apple cider vinegar helps you do. It helps you detox. Once your body starts detoxing, that's when the weight will start to fall off. Weight loss is a side effect of you starting to do some things healthy. Okay, so it's not just, oh, I'm going to do this for weight loss. It helps with weight loss. And for you to keep it off, you have to continue doing it. So even if you reach your goal, it's not telling you to stop, because if you stop, the weight will creep back on. Okay, so it is something you have to constantly do. How much does this cost? This costs no more than $4.99, $5 a bottle. Okay, you can get it from Walmart. I think you can get it probably for $3.99. If you get the Brags, it might be $1 more, but I've used both and I get the same result. It's not too much of a difference. But if you're comfortable with the Brags, go ahead and get the Brags. If you want to save a buck, get this one. I hope this helped you out, guys, and hopefully I can send some more great tips. If you want to know more things, please leave it in the comments. So give me some ideas of some things that you would like us to do, and I'll do that. Bye-bye.